You're standing in the kitchen again, right at the end of a long day. Your feet hurt, the clock is ticking, and somehow it feels like this moment keeps repeating. In your head, there's that quiet question you don't say out loud: why do I always feel behind, even when I'm trying so hard? You try to plan ahead, you really do. You think about groceries, schedules, and doing things better tomorrow. But life keeps pulling at you, kids calling your name, notifications buzzing, and one more thing asking for your attention when you're already full. Let me say this clearly, because you need to hear it. You're not lazy, and you're not failing. You're overloaded, carrying more mental weight than anyone sees, and still showing up every single day. Hi, I'm Betty, and this is the Budget Betty channel, Smarter Money for Mom Life. Today, I'll show you how one simple dinner choice moms repeat is quietly shaping their money, time, and peace, often without realizing it. If you want calm progress without pressure, subscribe now and stay with me to see what really changes. By the time dinner rolls around, you've already made 100 decisions today. What to answer, what to fix, what to remember, what to ignore. Your brain isn't weak. It's tired from carrying everyone else's needs. And when your energy runs out, choices stop feeling simple. When you're exhausted, your brain goes into default mode. You repeat what's familiar, not because it's best, but because it's safe and fast. Add the noise, kids talking, phones buzzing, the TV humming, and focus completely disappears. You're not choosing anymore, you're surviving the moment. Meanwhile, your mind is crowded with groceries, bills, and tomorrow's schedule all at once. Tiny convenience choices feel harmless, but they quietly drain your confidence. You start wondering why something so simple feels so hard. Nothing is wrong with you. You're just reacting instead of choosing. Here's the shift that changes everything. You don't actually need more discipline, even though that's what you've been told. What you really need is fewer decisions pulling at you all day. When your life is busy, calm doesn't come from willpower, it comes from design. We think we'll fix everything when life slows down, but life doesn't slow down. So instead of waiting, we build calm right into the busy. Just like investing works better with systems than emotion, your routines work better when they support you automatically. Peace comes from fewer choices, not perfect days. If you feel like you keep failing at consistency, hear this. You didn't fail. You were never designed for reality as it is. That simple dinner you repeat isn't laziness, it's relief. And when you design your money and routines the same way, simple, repeatable, gentle, things finally start to stick. Let's make this practical, because clarity only matters if it works in real life. First, pick your default dinner, one simple meal you don't have to think about. It's not boring, it's freedom, because your brain finally gets to rest. Less stress, less spending, and more peace at the end of the day. Second, create a money pause. Before any non-essential spending, stop for 10 seconds and breathe. You're not trying to be perfect or disciplined, just aware. That tiny pause puts you back in control instead of reacting on autopilot. Third, give yourself one quiet check-in each week. 5 minutes, no spreadsheets, no guilt, just noticing what's happening. This isn't about fixing everything, it's about seeing clearly. And when you repeat these small actions, calm starts to replace chaos. Picture this. It's evening now, and dinner is already decided. You're not rushing, not scrolling, not second-guessing yourself. For once, the day didn't win, you did. Your shoulders feel lighter because nothing is hanging over your head. You know where your money is, what tomorrow looks like, and what truly matters tonight. That kind of clarity changes how you breathe. It's not flashy or perfect, and it doesn't need to be. It's the quiet confidence of knowing you're building a life that works. And that steady peace? That's real success. You don't need a new personality. You need a kinder system. This video wasn't about fixing you. It was about removing pressure. Simple dinners, simple money choices, simple defaults. When life feels heavy, it's not because you're failing. It's because the system you're using was never designed for real mom life. If this helped you feel seen, you're not alone. Like the video if it gave you clarity. Subscribe if you want calmer money decisions, and share this with a mom who's carrying everything quietly. Tell me in the comments what decision drains you the most right now, and what simple default could bring you relief this week. This is Budget Betty, where we believe in smarter money for mom life. You're not behind, you're just ready for simpler, and that is more than enough.